Well, welcome to my electromagnet video that I spent entirely too much time on, but we're going to get into it. I'm going to talk you through this experiment. I've already made the footage that's actually doing the experiment, and now I'll talk you through what is happening. So, to start off, we're going to test the number of wraps around an iron core. So I'm using an iron bolt here, and I'm going to start off by doing 25 wraps around that iron core. So this is me in the shadow of my hands making this amazing 25 wraps. And now it's ready to go. So I'm trying to pick up paper clips. What we're looking for is the max amount of paper clips that I can pick up with the 25 wraps. You can see when the electromagnet is on, based on the current going high, which is what you're seeing on the multimeter there. So here we go, slow-mo. This is the really good pickup. Oh my goodness, 4 paper clips. So 25 wraps has gotten us 4 paper clips this time around. So yeah, one more try, and now we're going to go up to 50 wraps. So there I am, just frantically wrapping again, and here we go. I could say I'm a rapper. Okay, so do a few trials here, and I think we're on the slow-mo again. Oh, there it is. 6 paper clips for the 50 wraps. Oh my, I did it. Did it twice. So exciting. Now we're going to go up to a staggering 75 wraps with this. I have this on a push button because otherwise the wire just gets too hot from the current going through. So I have to actually just turn it on for a few seconds at a time and then turn it off again. And here we go. Here's the good trial. Slow-mo again. What do we have? How many? It's 10 paper clips with 75 wraps. Staggering, amazing data. Okay, so now that we've got that, we're now actually going to go to stage 2 of this experiment, which is testing different cores. This is a brass bolt, which actually comes with, this sounds disgusting, but toilet flanges and stuff, and seal rings and whatever. It's for attaching your toilet. But it's a brass ring. Advantage of that is it doesn't rust. And we are wrapping around that with 50 wraps on that brass core. So now we're going to go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. Nothing happens. Compare this to the iron that had 50 wraps, right? The iron core, and that picked up, what was it, 6? 8? I forget. You know, because you saw it, you wrote it down. I want to show now that iron is magnetic. That's also an iron bolt. Brass is not. Notice it not sticking to the magnet. Okay, so now we're going to try a wood core, which I'm using just a pencil crayon for that. It's around the same diameter, so I'm going around that. Again, 50 wraps. So that we can see what the wood core would do. So here I am just wrapping away, and now we're going to give it a try. You can see it's on from the ammeter going at 2.7 amps or so. Give it another try, 2.7, 2.8 amps. Nothing, nada, zip. It is not attracting those paper clips at all. So now we're actually going to do a different experiment, and this is testing the difference in current, what manipulating current will do to how many paper clips it can pick up. So I'm actually doing a lot of wraps around this larger bolt. I'm doing 85 wraps, so that's what's happening right now. I didn't realize that my hands were out of frame, but look at that shadow go. Oh, I move so fast at 4 times speed. I'm now going to put just some tape on there, and the reason for that is simply to keep the wires in the same location so they don't change, because I'm going to be doing quite a few trials with it as it is. So now I've got that tape on there, and I'm going to go ahead and test it. You can see on the ammeter I'm at around 2.7 amps. Yeah, just rounds up to 2.7, and we're doing a few trials. Got 6 there. Oh, slow-mo. You know this is the good trial. Boom! 7 paper clips at 2.7 amps. How riveting. How exciting. I did it. In fact, I did it twice. There it is again. 7 paper clips. Boom! So a 6 that time, yeah. Now we've upped it. You can see now that the ammeter is up to around 3.6 amps, rounds up to 3.6. There's a first trial, quite a bit more. We're going to try to do a few more trials here and see what we can get. Around 3.6 again, rounding up. That one actually stuck because the magnetism stuck around, and we got 9 paper clips, ladies and gentlemen. 9! Oh, it's incredible, incredible stuff. Now I got some more paper clips here from before, and we're going to try going with more. We're at 4.2 amps now, and that's 12 paper clips. 4.2 amps, 12 paper clips, just incredible. Really neat to see. We'll do it one more time. One more time. Oh, it's a lot, but not 12. And that's it. That's the experiment. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I have some funky music playing in the background that doesn't, you know, go over my voice. And that's the lab. That took me hours to make, and it played in probably 5 minutes. Okay, anyways, hope you got your data. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good rest of your day.